Hey there, good morning. Welcome to the Jeep Solid Garage. So we just finished an oil change on this 2017 Jeep Wrangler JK. I'm going to show you guys real quick how to reset the oil light on the dash. Super easy process. If you're interested in checking out the video on how I changed my oil, that video is linked in the description below. But let me show you real quick how to reset that oil light. We are simply going to stick the key in the ignition and turn it on to accessory. And you'll see the oil light come on here. So what we're going to do is depress the gas pedal to the floor in 3 rapid successions, all within 10 seconds, and then turn the car back off. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. And turn the car back off. Now let's turn it back on, double check that the oil light is off now. Just turn it on to accessory. And sure enough, the oil light does not come on. We'll go ahead and start it up. Check engine light is off. Everything looks good. So there we go, easy as that. So be sure to check out some of my other videos on Jeeps, repairs, maintenance, all kinds of good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.